What are you watching? You're hungry? What do you want to eat? McDonald's?
Chips.
Chips? That's bad for you. Just kidding.
You like chips too.
Me? How you know?
Because I know that.
How do you know?
I know, Reggie. I want chips.
There's no chips.
I want chips. I want chips. I want chips.
You're gonna get pimples.
I don't want that kind of chips. I don't